Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at the layout of the keyboard. If you're a pianist, you're already going to know a lot of what I tell you in this video, but please still take the time to go through it so that you're 100% sure of what's going on. The reason we're doing keyboard literacy instead of woodwind literacy or strings literacy is because the keyboard allows us to see our notes and the relationship or distance between our notes in ways we can't on other instruments. The keyboard consists of big white keys and smaller black keys which are arranged in a specific pattern. This is very important to us because it allows us to tell the difference between each white note. If there were no black notes, every white note would look the same. But fortunately, we can use our black notes to tell the difference between this note, which is just to the right of the group of 3 black notes, and this note, which is between the group of 2 black notes. The note that sits between this group of 2 black notes is called D. Remember in our previous videos when we were looking at reading and writing pitch, we discovered that we could write the note D in 2 places on the treble clef stave and in 1 place on the bass clef stave. Well, when a pianist reads this note D, they will push the key that sits between the group of 2 black notes. Just as we discovered that there is more than 1 place that we can write a D on the stave, we can see that there is more than 1 place to play a D on the piano. 1 D sits near the middle of the piano, 1 sits to the right of this and is higher, and the other sits to the left and is therefore lower. There are other Ds on the piano, and we will learn how to write these very high and very low notes later on in this course. It's important to remember that if we go to the right on our keyboard, we go higher and higher, and if we move to the left on our keyboard, we get lower and lower. An easy way to remember that the D sits between the group of 2 black notes on the piano is to think of a donkey. The donkey has 2 pointy ears and his face sits right in between, just like the note D. Just as we discovered when we were learning to read and write pitch, our notes on the keyboard go up in alphabetical order. So the note that sits just to the right or higher than D would be an E, then an F, then a G, an A B, a C, and now you can see that we've arrived back at the note that sits between the group of 2 black notes, so we are back to D. Eventually, you'll be able to just look at the keyboard and immediately identify any note, but for now, use D as an anchor point and work out all notes in relation to it. Please take the time to read through the notes on their website and complete the accompanying task, and remember that I'm always available to assist you if you need any help.